What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can fit this full-size Peloton bike inside of your sedan. So this is a Gen 1 Peloton, and it's a Volkswagen Jetta, normal mid-size sedan. We've got the head of the bike beheaded just by taking out one screw, as well as the seat post. The bike is pretty heavy, so this is a lot easier with two people. One thing to note is it could be easier to flip the bike upside down so that the legs are at the top. You'll see because the doorway is bigger at the top, it was easier to move in as one person this way. So if you have two people, I think that will be a better way to do it. So let me go ahead, take it out, and show you guys how I did that. So you can see I have the Peloton bike fully assembled now. In this position, it would not fit in this sedan. And to basically take apart the bike, it's really easy. For the seat posts, you go ahead, loosen up this one bolt, and then you can just pull straight up. That will remove the seat post, so you can see there. And then for the screen, simply disconnect these two wires. And then down here, grab a Phillips screwdriver and basically undo this here. Undo this one screw. Once you remove that screw, take this out, loosen it up to the left. And just like the seat post, you can pull that screen out. Grab the handlebar. This will bring up the screen and handlebar. And your bike is now beheaded. So there you guys go. If you're picking up a bike on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, it's basically how you would put your bike in a sedan without having to rent a truck or a van. If you have any questions, leave those down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button if you did find the video helpful.